Welcome everyone, this is Prashant Chauhan and today I am going to discuss with you about rational numbers. What are rational numbers? The number which can be represented in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equals to 0 and P and Q both are integers. The integers may be negative, may be positive and may be 0 except the denominator. The denominator must never equals to 0 as 1 upon 2 is a rational number because here the denominator is not equals to 0 and numerator and denominator both are integers. Minus 2 upon 3 is also a rational number because the denominator is 3 which is not equals to 0 and the numerator is minus 2 which is an integer. Okay. Now 3 upon 5, 8 upon 7, minus 9 upon 11, these all are rational numbers. And also 0. 0 is rational number because 0 is equals to 0 upon 1, which is the form of P upon Q. Here the Q is not equals to 0, so it is rational number. Now, what is the decimal representation of a rational number? We can see different examples of a rational number and we will find that the decimal representation of a rational number must be terminating or repeating. It is terminating or either repeating. Both cannot be take place at the same time. One number has either terminating decimal representation or either repeating decimal representation. And also, one number can neither be terminated and neither be repeated. And these numbers are called irrational number, means not rational numbers. As we can say that the decimal representation of a rational number must be terminating or repeating. But the decimal representation of an irrational number is neither terminating and neither repeating. For example, 3 upon 5 is equal to 0.6. It is a terminating decimal representation. And 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5 is also a terminating decimal representation. And also 1 upon 8 is equal to 0.125, which is also a terminating decimal representation. Okay, but as I see that 1 upon 3 is equals to 0.3 and 3 and 3 and it may be repeated infinite time. Yes, infinite time. So we will write it as 0.3 bar. It is repeating decimal representation. Okay, so a rational number must have either terminating or either repeating. But if it is non-terminating, non-repeating, then the number is irrational number. Now we will discuss about irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? As we discussed earlier about rational numbers, the number which can be represented in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0, are rational. Similarly, the number which cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0, is called a irrational number. Okay? For example, 1.0200200020002 and so on. This number is neither repeating and neither terminating. So this number is irrational number. Means we can say that the irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. We must also know that the square roots of non-perfect square positive numbers are also irrational numbers because their decimal representation is also non-terminating, non-repeating. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 6, root 8, root 10, root 11 and so on. These are non-perfect square numbers and their square roots are irrational because their decimal representation is neither repeating and non-terminating. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of this. Thank you very much.